Today is our annual Fair Housing Luncheon. This is an event that we put on every year. It's really in two parts. One part is training for real estate professionals, government officials, and then there's the luncheon. And this year we have John Tresvigna, the Assistant Secretary for HUD for Fair Housing.
Our mission is to make the Fair Housing Act relevant to people of the 21st century.
April is considered to be a month for fair housing, which is a very serious and crucial element in the life of a family. So Fairfax County has an ordinance, and because of that, we are cast to the Human Rights Commission to be sure there's no discrimination in housing.
It's in our mission. That's what we do. We enforce the human rights ordinance here in Fairfax County, and housing is a strong component of that ordinance. If they have a problem, if they don't know the answer, call someone, whether it be our office if they think that there is some type of violation of the law, whether it be the Department of Housing and Community Development. But first of all, you want to get what the parameters are and what the law is, and then take it from there.